Hi, my name is Roland and I am the IELTS and OET Director here at iEngtests. Today we're going to talk about how to generate ideas for your IELTS essay. I received a lot of questions on how to generate ideas for your IELTS Task 2 essay, and that's what we're going to talk about today. If this is something that you're interested in, keep on watching. One strategy that's quite simple and effective when generating ideas for your IELTS essay is using the LONGPESTELE technique. Okay? LONGPESTELE stands for local, national, global, political, economic, sociocultural, technology, ethical, legal, and environmental. Now, when you do your brainstorming, so be very careful when you do brainstorming, as you also need to stay on the topic and address the task question. Okay, for example, the number of people interested in cosmetic surgery is increasing in order to improve their physical appearance. Now, on task analysis, okay, which we have already discussed on our previous video, so understand and underline the key words in the writing prompt. So the number of people, cosmetic surgery, increasing to improve their physical appearance. Now your instruction word is, why do people do operations to change the way they look? Okay, why people change the way they look? Do you think it's positive or negative developments? It's clearly asking for your direct opinion about the issue. Okay, now the number of people, if you're going to narrow this down, okay, you can think about local, national, or even global, since there are a lot of people who are interested to have their surgeries done to improve their look. Okay, so you can think about that. Think about political as well, if you can insert the one in. How about economic? Okay, how about socio-cultural? So what are the deciding factors that influence people to undergo cosmetic surgery to change the way they look? Sociocultural, you can include this one as well. Now, for LONGPESTELE technique, you don't need to include all of these angles. You can only select which angle would be relevant to your task. Okay? Now, sociocultural is definitely relevant to your task. So you can think about what are the deciding factors that influence them to undergo cosmetic surgery. So for example, people who are struggling with low confidence or self-esteem, or people who want to find a better job opportunity, or people who are depressed and want to have a self-improvement, or just because they don't like the way they look. Or you can also think about age. Okay, what about status? Okay, and what about gender? Right, so you can think about like different genders as well. There are more males than females, or vice versa, who are interested in cosmetic surgery. What about technology? Okay, now if we're going to talk about globally, a lot of people who go to the US, perhaps because of their advanced technology, advanced equipments, and that give people more confidence to do their operations, perhaps. Ethical, what about legal factor? Okay, and we know as well that cosmetic surgeries are legal and lawful to improve one's look, so you can talk about that one as well. What about environmental? Okay, so again, not all of the LONGPESTELE technique would be directly relevant to your task, but what you can do, however, is you can select those angles that you think would be important. So do you think it's a positive or negative development? Again, when you do brainstorming, okay, you need to stay on the topic and address the task questions. Now, for your like general formats, you have three options. Okay, your intro, Your body paragraph 1, you can talk about what are the deciding factors that influence them to undergo cosmetic surgery, and you can provide your personal opinion. Do you think it's a positive? It is a positive or negative development? And you can provide your summary in the end. Option 2, you can provide your intro, your reason number 1, reason number 2, and your personal opinion, and then your summary. Or option 3, your intro, your reason number 1, reason number 2, and then your personal opinion. Okay, if you think it's a positive or a negative development. Okay, again, there's no one size fits all format, but you have options on how you can organize or lay out your essay. If you think that this is helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want me to provide helpful videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post helpful videos like this. And if you want to improve your score with iEngtests, go ahead and visit iEngtests.com. Bye for now.